Here, the situation is Lord Hanuman has reached Lanka. Originally, he landed near the beach, that is in the forest near the beach. Then he jumped and then reached the hilltop. There he found a big fort around Lanka city. Now he wants to enter into the city. How he should enter? There are several methods. Directly he can enter through the gate, but because he is a vanara, also a monkey, he can jump and then enter. So he wanted to jump and go, because there is one rule is there. Whenever somebody is going into enemy's area, he should put his first left leg first of all. Putting the left leg means it is a bad thing wished for the enemy. Indirectly, it is a success for self. So, Chakretha padam savyancha shatrunam sato mordhani. He put the left leg in the city of Lanka. Directly, it means he is putting his left leg on the head of the enemies. That's what actually means. Shatrunam mordhani is on the head of the enemies. He is putting his left leg. That is, he is kicking them. That is, he is going to defeat them. Then he has entered that city with all his might. Sattva sampannaha. At what time? Nishayam, in the night time. That is, the evening time also is over. Now he could not be immediately seen by anybody. And who is that actually? Hanuman has got several names. But here the word used is Marutatmajaha, is the son of the god Vayu. Why that Vayu should be referred? Vayu is a swift deity, very fast moving god. So Hanuman is going to move very fastly. That is indicated by the word Marutatmaja. So this is the brief meaning of the first shloka, sir. Next
Thank
one,
you, sir. We'll go to the next one.
Sagandhasta. Yes. Now immediately second one, important one, see. Sagandhastam mahasatvam bandhur bandhu mivottamam yata ehi ityuvacheva tatra yatra saravanaha. Actually, he is now fully busy. He is fully alert. Fully means what? Our knowledge, normally, worldly knowledge can be acquired through five senses. They are called as jnanendriyas, pancha jnanendriyas. That is the eyes, the ears, the nose. Like this, actually, we are having five varieties. Now here, he is trying to see, eyes are functioning, but he is not able to find her, Seta Devi. He is trying to hear anything, any crying of any lady, that also is not happening, not happening. But now another Indriya is started functioning, that is the smell. That smell is coming. So immediately his nose, it caught the smell. It identified something is coming out, a fragrance is coming. It seems, it appears as if a relation, suppose somebody, one of our relations is searching for our house. Suppose our door number is not visible clearly. So he may be moving this and this side and that side of our house. Like that, suppose when Hanuman is moving this side and that side, the fragrance of the food items in the kitchen, that has given one type of knowledge to his through his nose. So it is appearing as if his relation himself is calling the other relation. It actually, Ita ehi, please come this side, please come this side. It is as if the smell is calling him to enter into the kitchen area. That is actually here what we should remember, why this shloka is required for us. We should be very alert when we are searching for one object. It is not just eyes alone are not sufficient. Your ears alone may not be sufficient. Your nose, your skin, all other things, you must be fully alert. For that purpose, whenever you are doing any important project, there you must be very alert. So this actually is an indicative of a requirement for alertness with all your full sense, all five senses. This is the importance of this shloka.
And today I would like to share, and he has introduced Venkat Garu, he has introduced me. I am not a great scientist, just a scientist who worked on all these, some of these areas. Today I would like to share with you to just to bring our, our scientists. In India, so we have very great scientists who have worked for all the sciences and bring it to the world, global, getting a lot of awards and Nobel laureates, etc., etc. And let us today we would like to share one of our great scientists, Sir C.V. Raman. Have you heard about Sir C.V. Raman? And today I will bring it to you. What are his scientific achievements for the globe and how he has made it. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Hello? Yeah. Chandrasekhar Venkatraman. He was born on November 1888 in a village in Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu, province of Tamil Nadu. His father, Chandrasekhar Iyer, is a professor in Avian College, Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is in Andhra Pradesh, and he worked there as a professor. And his mother is also a very Sanskrit scholar, Parvati Ammal, and he is also a very educated family. And next slide, please. Next, please. Can I show? Yeah. There's a Raman parents. That is the pictures. Next. Raman matriculated in 10th grade. At that point of time, matriculation is called 10th grade. At the age of 11 itself, with finance and accounts, he was interested at that point of time in the matriculation at the age of 13. And he studied in the same college where his father worked in the college, and at the Presidential College of University of Madras, sometime. Hello. Where he received BA degree in 1904 at the age of 16, ranking first class and receiving gold medal itself in physics at the age of 16 itself. He graduated. Now our children, they graduate around 1920, but he graduated in 16. He received a master's degree also in the highest honor in 07 and got gold medal also in physics at that point of time. Next, please. Next. His teachers used to praise him. His teachers were greatly impressed with him. Or the remarks of this teacher is, the best student I have had in 30 years. One of the professors, he said that in 30 years I have never such a intelligent and innovative student. A young man of independence and strength of character, exhibited an unusual appreciation of English literature and facility in idiomatic expressions. And he possesses a great alertness of mind, that is very important, and a strong intellectual. His physics professor, called Professor Jones, especially recognized Raman's and aptitude and research and asked him, why did you go for England to study further research on your work? But Raman was a little medically is not good because of tuberculosis at that point of time. And another professor not advised him not to go to England and pursue his research in India itself. Raman's best choice of a good position was his choice of, because he has studied BA, he wants to work with finance and accounts. And then next, Raman best choice is a Indian finance department, and he has joined and take a final examinations in that arts. Raman was placed first in the examination as he was in the past and appointed a bank officer initially in Calcutta in 1907. He joined as a bank officer. But while he's working with the bank, he just Cultivation joined, associated with the Indian Association of Cultivation of Sciences, that is IACC, that is in a research association in Calcutta. And he was very much impressed with the research work there, and referring all the journals, this and scientific research. He has got an aptitude of research, and while doing his job, that is from 9:30 to 5 p.m., he used to do his finance accounts, but he used to get up early in the morning itself and do the work of 9:30 to 5:30 to 9:30, and also after the banking hours, 5:30 to 9:30, the research with the Association of Cultivation of Sciences. Next. The Indian Association of Cultivation of Sciences, which was established in 1987 for research purposes of, it is established by one Professor Mahendra Lal Sarkar at that point of time. And Raman became a member, a life member in that association, and took a lot of work, better or known, to lead the bringing out of the bulletin and proceedings of later, which he renamed as the Journal of Physics, that journal. Pilot Chair of Physics is a physics professorship in the Calcutta University. The post is named after Sir Tartrik Palit, who donated 1.5 million to the university. Today it is around 15 crores, we can say, rupees in rupees. And the 1.5 at that point of time. Ashutosh Mukherjee is 6424, a judge and vice chancellor of Calcutta University, wrote to the Vice of India on June 29, 1912, I'm hoping to be able to secure to one of the another scientists this type of professorship. To one, he has recommended that chancellor, J.C. Bose, a chair of physics. J.C. Bose, Dr. J.C. Bose is another scientist we will discuss later, but he is also fit for that. But the plan, through some reason, however, in 1912, the Palit professors is offered to our C.V. Raman. At present, the holder of the chair is, of course, Amita Rai Chaudhary, present day. And this is the best professorship he got in Calcutta University in 1912. Next. Next. This is the wife of Raman's wife, Lokasundari. She is a good advisor. Raman is reluctant to accept a position because Raman was offered a scientific position in that association while he was working with 600 rupees in the present bank. And Raman's wife has advised that he married in 19 and suggested he should not bother about money. Go for science and do research. That is how she encouraged him to do the research. Next, please. What research? What is the research that Raman has? That let us look into that and how he got the Nobel Prize. He is interested in three of the objects. One is optics, the light and its interaction with the matter, and acoustics, the sound and interaction of the matter with the waves, and astronomical studies, the celestial objects. These things, he is very much interested on all these three type of subjects of interest. Next. In the main research, the focus is light blue color of sea. In 1899, Rayleigh pointed out that the blue color of the sky, you all see the sky is blue always, is due to the scattering of light by air molecules in the atmosphere. Rayleigh showed that scattering power is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the wavelength, so that the short wavelengths in visible spectrum of the sunlight, that is the blue wavelengths given by the sky, its color. After some time, some years, Rayleigh also conducted the blue color of the sea has nothing to do with the color of water, but it is simply the blue sky of the as a reflection. But in 1920, Raman developed increased attention to the scattering of light and discontinued his work on acoustics and focused on discontinued work on academic astronomy and focused on light. His major motivation was to challenge and reject Raleigh's theory of blue color of the sea. And then next, Raman's effect. He has found out the light as a Raman effect. Raman read the paper of Raleigh's in volume 5 of the scientific papers in 1902 and disapproved his theory of wavelengths, showing that blue color of the sea is caused by different light by water molecules. He made use of the Einstein molecule formula also and found that the scattering power of the medium in seawater also varies inversely with the fourth power of the wavelength, thus giving the sea its blue color. So this wavelength is a very important factor that is found to get the sun and light in the molecules to the vapors, solids, vapors, and liquids. Next, please. Scattering of light by molecules and liquid crystals. Raman, concerned with the nature of light, led to him study experimentally how light is scattered in liquids and crystals and to determine the dependence of the frequency of the light. He also studied scattering of light in dense vapors and gases, finding that it was not completely polarized as was predicted by the theory. A French scientist, Cabris, suggested that the isotropy of the molecules should be taken into account, while Raman focused on orientation of the molecules. Liquids, depending on the qualitative theory, and in some cases was able to account for the observation of polarization. Next. So, what is because of this Raman effect, it is called the Raman effect, he named it, and he got the Nobel Prize for this type of research work. While he is going in a voyage in Europe by ship in 1921, Raman curiously noticed that the color of the glaciers and the Mediterranean, you know the glaciers? Glaciers are a mountain, snow mountains, which are established in the mountains about thousands and thousands of years ago. Those are called glaciers. If you go for the Alaska and US and this type of glaciers you will find, and those are which cannot melt. So since the last several thousands and thousands of years, these sea mountains are there. These sea mountains, he has observed with a blue color again, and how he wants us to passionate this discovery of reason of this blue color. So how he has maintained, he has employed monochromatic light from a mercury arc which penetrated to the transparent materials and was allowed to fall on a spectrograph to record its spectrum. During this, Raman detected some new lines in spectrum, very beautiful lines he observed, which were later called as Raman lines and Raman effect. After a few months, Raman has put forward this discovery of Raman effect in a meeting in a scientist in Bangalore on March 16, 1928, for which he got the Nobel Prize for his observations and for his presentations of these papers and he got the Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics. The Raman effect is considered very significant in analyzing the molecular structures of chemical compounds, and he has established about 2,000 components and its structures by this mechanism of light refraction. And he has powered, Raman effect has proved to be very useful tools for the scientists, and now we are enjoying the fruits of these light refractions and this one. And he is also the fellow of the Royal Society, and he got the Nobel Prize in 1930. And for his work on the scattering of light And so they discover the effect named after him. Next, please. And applications of the Roman effect is identification of compounds by matching the spectrum of unknown with reference to spectrum, that is fingerprint. Determination of molecular composition of surfaces and identification of all type of magnetic compounds in solids and aqueous solutions. Detection of molecular impurities and additives. These are the applications where we are using this. And Stanford scientists created a new way of scan for tumors and cancer treatment. You all know that the present state, the diagnosis of cancer and their ailments with a lot of instrumentation we have in the medical systems. One is the cancer treatment. A beam of laser light protected on the skin surface technique can spot the extraordinary precision tiny particles that have injected into the bloodstream and attach themselves to cancer cells. So these type of scans, tumors about 5 mm wide containing tens of millions cells, now with this potential Raman imagining as a potential to detect the microscope lumps of only just few hundred cancer cells with his observation. Next. Next. So these are the various types, and with his uh, discoveries, we could get present scientists can get lot of medical equipments, other equipments where you can find out the molecular structures, liquid and vapors, all the structures you can find out and find out the compositions of each of these things. C.V. Raman published in his first research paper, unsymmetrical diffraction bands due to a rectangular aperture while he was in BSc student in Presidency College, Madras, in philosophical magazine, and started his journey to Nobel laureatehood. This achievement by C. Raman can inspire many of us present day students like you to similar age to creative and start a career of research scientist. We should declare, that's why they declared on November 6th to October 7th as the centenary of the C. Raman first research as a student. This is given by one of the professor. And his slogan is, I am master of my failure. He has also failed many times. If I never fail, how I will learn. That is the C.V. Raman said. So if you fail, don't stop there. That is an system. So you have to learn. Real growth of a country was in health, minds, bodies, and souls of young men and women of the country. C.V. Raman. So this is the about briefly we could tell about our scientists and what this type of innovations or we have to create ourselves, because children, you are the future of the nation, and you people have to more innovative like this and get the scientific knowledge and get the, I wish all of you to be innovative. I wish all the boys and girls to be innovative and take the sciences and make a lot of research opportunities are there, especially in the Vedic ancient sciences, and bring marvels to the future generations. I wish you all good luck and thank Dr. Avdhan for giving me the opportunity to share some of you these things, and I will continue to share some of great scientists of this nation to you in next weeks to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So, children, all of you have understood, right? So, everyone, C. Raman, at a very young age, he has finished his education. So, all of you are so young. So, you have an opportunity. Everybody has an opportunity to become great, right? So, he got Nobel Prize. So Dr. C.V. Raman has got Nobel Prize, and his research is used all over the world. All the people in the world, all scientists in the world use his Raman effect to discover a lot of new things. Okay. Thank you, Murthy Garu. So now we will go to Ramanaya Garu. Thank you. So Ramanaya Garu, we request Ramanaya Garu to present the.
So Murthy garu namaskaram.
Namaste.
Venkata garu namaskaram. So today just we are going to learn another story from Panchatantra. Is the fourth part of Panchatantra, Labdha Pranasam. Labdha Pranasam, it is the two word. There are two words. Labdha means is to gain, and Pranasam means to lose. So these two things happen simultaneously. It is a situation. If you are in a losing situation, in a difficult situation, so you have to think how to come out of that situation. So that is a thing here. Now just we have to see. So the story relates to a story is related to a crocodile and a monkey. So how this monkey escaped from the evil plan of that crocodile. The crocodile has got the plan to kill that monkey. So it escaped from that danger. So the story goes like this. In a forest, on the bank of a river, there was a big jamun tree. Jamun tree means blackberry. Just you must be knowing that. Blackberry, just in Telugu, we call it neredu. So, neredu pallu, just you must have seen it. So these blackberries, they are oval in shape, and their color inside is purple. So they are very sweet, and they got some medicinal value also. They're good for health. So this geometry was the residence of a monkey. That monkey, it was staying there for quite some time. So it used to enjoy the fruits, and it used to eat those fruits and enjoying a lot. So once a crocodile, so which was also living in the river, on the other bank of that river, with its wife. So one day it came towards the other bank where this jamun tree, this blackberry tree was there. So it got tired. So it took rest under that particular tree for some time. The monkey, which was on the tree, had seen this crocodile, and it offered some jamun trees, this blackberry tree, fruits, to that crocodile, because this monkey is very kind and generous. So it offered those fruits to the crocodile. So what this crocodile has done, it ate those fruits and felt it found, it thought, no, just these fruits are very sweet, very delicious. So I want more, some more. So monkey has given some more. It has eaten those fruits. After eating them, this crocodile it used to come to that jamun tree, to the monkey, quite often. So likewise, they both became friends, the monkey and crocodile. So they are spending the time very happily, the gossiping and all, everything, discussing a lot, and eating these jamuns, these black fruits. So one day this monkey offered some fruits to the crocodile and told him, "See, you go and give these fruits to your wife. she may also like them. So you go take them. So this crocodile, no, it has taken those fruits to his wife and gave them to her. The wife, she also ate those fruits, and then she found them to be very sweet and delicious. So likewise, after some time, this crocodile's wife, one day, she asked, she told the crocodile husband, so these fruits are very sweet. This monkey is eating all these fruits quite long. So that monkey's heart must be also very sweet. In fact, so I want the heart of that monkey, your friend, because it must be very sweet. I should get it. I should eat it. The reason is this wife, no, she was somewhat jealous of this monkey because she didn't like the friendship between these two, her husband and the monkey. Somehow just she wants to divide them, and then she wanted to kill that monkey. That's why she asked, I want the heart of that monkey. Go and bring it. So this husband, no, this crocodile, he thought, so after all, that monkey is my friend. So how can I kill him? How can I bring him? No, nothing doing. You have to bring him here and I will have his heart. This the wife just told him. So he could not say anything. So he said, okay. And then he went to the monkey and asked and told him, today there will be dinner for you in my house. You have to come. This monkey said, he pleasantly accepted the invitation. He said, okay, I will come. But how can I come? I cannot swim. So this crocodile said, no, you need not swim. Yes, you simply sit on my back so that we both can go together to my house. So this monkey, it sat on the back of the crocodile and they both started their journey towards the crocodile's house. Then what happened? In the middle of the river, in the water, while going, this crocodile, it could not suppress its inner thoughts, what it has got in the mind, the plan, what it has got. In fact, the plan is to kill this monkey at his house. So to eat that heart. So this plan, so she thought, okay, just as it is, we are going. So he will be killed, and then I had to tell him the fact. So it could not suppress its curiosity and whatever it may be, just plan and a fact of that. So it told the monkey, so today, in fact, I am not going to take you for the dinner. In fact, I am going to kill you. My wife wants your heart. That's why I am taking you to my house. After hearing these words, this monkey, so it got afraid. So it thought, yes, I am really in danger. I have to escape because otherwise, I will be killed by these fellows. So how can I do it? So it thought a plan. It immediately thought. So since it is a clever monkey, so it could think a plan. He said, so you should have told this before leaving from my house, because I have left my heart on the tree. So it is in my residence. So how can we get that heart now? So then for that, this crocodile said, so if it is so we both, we'll go back and we'll bring, you can bring that heart, we'll carry it back. So then it's okay. Let us go back to my residence, this monkey said. As soon as they reached the other bank of the jamun tree, this residence of the monkey just climbed the tree and just sat comfortably there and said to the crocodile, "You foolish, you idiot, you foolish crocodile, you're idiot. So I believed you. After I thought you are my friend, but you cheated me. You just so I had to think from now onwards, you are not my friend. You should go. Yes, you should leave this place, and just once for all, I am not going to come with you. So you are a foolish crocodile. I never believed of such people. So that is how this monkey escaped from the danger because it is intelligent. So it it is instant because suppose danger means that is loss, pranasam, and gain means just coming out of that particular situation, overcoming that situation. So this is how, so this monkey, since it is intelligent, it has come out of that dangerous situation. Otherwise, it would have been killed by this crocodile. So this is the moral one has to learn. So in a particular situation where you are in a trouble, when you are in a when you are in trouble, you should not be confused. You should not be perturbed. So you should come out of that. So you have to think how to overcome that situation. So this is how this monkey escaped from that danger. So not only that, you should choose your friend because you should not believe each and everyone whoever comes to you and yes, I am your friend. I can do this and all that. But you should choose your friend. That is, choose your company wisely and always have presence of mind. This is called presence of mind because presence of mind means it is momentary. So you can think of that thing only at that particular point of time. So if you don't have that presence of mind, so you will be in trouble. That is the thing. That is the moral. So this is the story of that monkey which has come out of that danger. Okay. So it's over, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So you all heard the story of monkey and the crocodile, right? Good. So now time for Vedic mathematics. Our Balavaskar garu is ready. Balavaskar garu. Everybody has done their homework. All right. Let me add Balavaskar. Yes, sir. It's all yours now.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Should be able to share. You are on mute.
I am unable to share the screen. Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Now it is available.
Yes.
So good morning and good evening. I hope you remember the last session, whatever we have discussed on the last session. Just for a small revision, just I am giving the recap, a small recap. So we have discussed in the squaring techniques, we have discussed ekanyunena purvena, no sorry, ekadikana purvena, yavadadikam tavadadikikritya vargam chayojiyat, yavadunam tavaduni-kritya vargam chayojiyat. 3 techniques we have discussed. 4th technique, Dvandva Yoga, also we have discussed. We discussed 2-digit squares in last session. Today I said in this session I will discuss 3-digit, 4-digit squares. Okay? Just for your convenience, to ease your work, to simplify your work, you should remember these duplex of single digit, duplex of double digit, duplex of triple digit number, and duplex of 4 digit. If you are, there is no end, we are limiting ourselves with 4-digit number. Okay? Okay, sure. Somebody is not able to see the screen, so I hope you are able to see the screen now. Please acknowledge in chat so that. Okay, thank you. Okay, just for your convenience and for your ease only, you have to remember these. A duplex of single digit, that means duplex of single digit. I am putting a algebraic symbols A, B, C, D or X, Y, Z. You can remember that duplex of A means A square. That means duplex of 3 means 3 square. 3 square is 9. I hope everyone know the squares of single digit numbers. Means 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. Okay. Single digit squares, please remember. Don't ask shortcut. Okay, because 7 square means 7 into 7, that is single digit multiplication only. If you know the tables up to 9th table, you can easily say, means 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 2 square, 4, 3 into 3, 3 square, 9, 4 into 4, 4 square, 16, 5 into 5, 5 square, 5 square equal to 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6. I am not teaching any Greek and Latin or any higher algebra or trigonometry. I am just teaching a single digit multiplication only. With the single, if you know up to 9th table, with the small things, with the small calculations, we can calculate the squares of 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. So please remember, duplex of A means a duplex of a single digit means square of that number. Okay, D of 3 equal to 3 square. Duplex of 3 equal to 3 square, 9. Duplex of 2-digit numbers, AB, that means 2 into A into B, that means duplex of 34. 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24. Okay. Duplex of 3-digit number, that means duplex of 345. Duplex of, that means duplex of ABC equal to middle digit square plus 2 into ending digits multiplication, B square plus 2AC. That means duplex of 345 equal to middle digit is 4, 4 square plus 2 multiplied by ending digits, 2 into 3 into 5. That means 4 square equal to 16. 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. 16 plus 30, 46. Yeah, I will explain. Sai Sujan, don't worry, I will explain. Okay. Duplex of ABCD equal to 2 multiplied by AD into BC. That means this ending and middle digits. That means duplex of 3456 equal to 2 into 3 into 6. This ending digits and middle digits. Okay. Plus 4 into 5. Okay. 2 into 18 plus 20. 2 into 38, 76. Okay. Right. You should remember these. And I have given you have to do from 11 square to 99 square. That means if you have to calculate the square of 2-digit number, that means D of A and D duplex of AB and duplex of B. This is the thing. And one position should have only 1 digit. If it is having more than 1 digit, carry forward the left part to left side. That means someone is asking, we didn't do 11 square to 99 square. So randomly I am taking one number. I am taking 63 square. Just follow carefully. That means D of 6, duplex of 6, duplex of 63 and duplex of 3. Duplex of single digit number we have discussed already. Okay, duplex of single digit is single digit square. That means 6 square. And duplex of 2 digits. Here we have discussed 2 into 3 into 4. That means here in this scenario 2 into 6 into 3. And duplex of single digit square of that only. 6 square equal to 36. 2 into 6 into 3. That means 2 6 are 12. 12 into 3. 36. Once again 36. And 3 square is 9. And this position has only single digit. There is nothing to carry forward to left side. Leave it as it is. And come to the second position. It has, the middle position has 36. That means in one position, the one position is occupied by 2 digits. Then carry forward the left digit to left side. Take this and carry forward and add. That will become 3969. Answer. 63 square is 3969. Just check the answer even with your calculators. 63 into 63. 3969. Okay, I will explain one more time with another example for 2-digit number. Please follow carefully. After that, I will ping three numbers, 3 2-digit numbers. You have to do the sum and ping the answer in chat box. Okay, please follow carefully. And same thing, even though it is the repetition of last week, I am repeating again for 2-digit number. Let us do it for 42 square. 42 square, or let me take a bigger number, 49 square. Okay, you know already the formula of 2-digit square. So it will be d of duplex of 4, duplex of 4 9, and duplex of 9. d of 4, duplex of 4 equal to 4 square. Duplex of 4 9, 2 into 4 into 9, and duplex of 9, 9 square will be 16. 2 into 4 into 9, 8 9, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 9 72, and 9 square 81. Now you do carry forward from, start from rightmost position and carry forward. The rightmost position has 81. One position is occupied by 2 digits. Just carry forward this to left side. 72 plus 8. 72 plus 8, 80. Then middle position has two digits. That means the middle position is occupied by, single position is occupied by 2 digits. Then carry forward this to next side, left side. 16 plus 8, it will be 24. 16 plus 8, 24. The answer is 2401. Okay, you can check with calculator one. 49 into 49, 2401, the correct answer. I have explained 2 sums, even though it is last week's recap. I have explained 2 sums. Now it's your turn. I'll ping. You have to tell me you have to do the sum with the duplex method and ping me the answer. Okay, once we completed 3 sums, let's go to 3-digit number. Okay, so to go to 3-digit number, I am preparing you first with the 2-digit numbers. Now you do 84 square. 84 square. Do the sum with the duplex method. Here is the formula. Here is the sum. 84 square. First one. and ping me the answer in chat box. Very good. Some people are pinging the answer. Yeah, super. Somebody pinged the entire, Srivatsa pinged the entire expansion also. 8 square, 2 into 8 into 4, 4 square. Yeah, super. That shows your understanding. So this is last week's session recap only, revision only. I am not discussing this for the first time. This is second time. Yeah, good. Good one. 64, 64, 16. Yeah, super. Okay. Next one, let us do some 77 square. 77 square. Please do in your notebook using duplex method and ping me the answer in chat box. Good. Okay. Is Samyukta Varshini? Yeah. Last week's session I repeated. I didn't tell anything new. I repeated the concept. Today only, if you missed the last class also, no problem. Entire concept I repeated today. Third step. Yeah, you are asking, I am just explaining. Please follow carefully because already we are lagging. I didn't discuss the new concept. The third step is, for example, let me take 49 square. You are expecting from the third step only. 4 square, 2 into 4 into 9, 9 square. 49 square example I am telling. Or if you take 84 square, 8 square, understand the formula here. AB square equal to duplex of A, duplex of AB, duplex of B. Okay. Next one. That means 84 square means duplex of 8, duplex of 84, duplex of 4. Now, duplex of 8 is 8 square, 2 into 8 into 4. Next, 4 square is equal to 64, 2 into 8 into 4. Again 64, 2 8s are 16, 16 into 4, 64. 4 square, 16. Okay, here, listen carefully. You expected the repetition in third step only. One position should have only one digit. If it has more than one digit, keep the rightmost digit there and carry forward the left digit to left side. That means here in one position, two digits are there, 16. Then carry forward the left digit to left side. That means here it will come 64 plus 1. Then it will become 65. Now this position is occupied by 2 digits. One position should have only 1 digit. So carry forward the left digit to left side. Then it will become 64 plus 6. 64 plus 6 is 70. The number is 7056. Okay, 84 square equal to 7056. That is the answer. I need your acknowledgement because I have repeated for you. Understood or need repetition? Okay, thank you. So this is the 2-digit one. We did 77 square. Then now do one thing. 38 square. Please do 38 square. Everyone, do 38 square. Superb, superb. Good, very good. 9, 48, 64. Very good. Srivatsa. Great. Now let us go to 3-digit square. Till now we did 2-digit square. I have given last week. I have given the homework of 10 to or 11 to 99. 11 square, 12 square, 13, 14, 15, 16 square, 17 square, up to 98 square. Now today you have to do at least 200 sums. Means 100 square to 999 square, 999 square. So that 3-digit squares we are going to calculate. Just follow me. Follow me carefully. For example, ABC square, that means 3-digit square is there. Then it will be duplex of single digit, first digit, duplex of first 2 digits, and duplex of 3 digits, and duplex of last 2 digits, and duplex of last digit. So, for example, if you are doing 345 square, okay, it will be duplex of 3, duplex of 34, duplex of 345, duplex of 45, and duplex of 5. Now it will be 3 square, 2 into 3 into 4, B square plus 2AC. That means duplex of 3-digit number. That's why I asked you to remember this. Duplex of 3-digit, B square plus 2AC. That means 4 square into 2 into 3 into 5. Duplex of 4, 5. That means 2 into 4 into 5 and 5 square. Now you simplify. 9, 2 into 3 into 4, 24, And b square plus 2ac, 16 plus 2 into 3 into 5, 30. 16 plus 30, 46. 2 into 4 into 5, 40, and 5 square, 25. Now carry forward work starts. One position should have only one digit. Start from right to left. This will become like 9, 40 plus 2, 42. This will become 42. Next step, keep the rightmost digit 2 in the second place and carry forward this 4 to this side. Then that will become 50. Next, this third position, if we carry forward this, keep the right digit and carry forward the left digit to left side. Then this will become 24 plus 5, 29. And next, this position has 2 digits. Keep the rightmost digit as it is and carry forward this to left side. 9 plus 2, 11. The final answer is 119025. 345 into 345. 119025. That is the answer. Correct answer. Definitely, I'll repeat. Okay, I'll take the another example. Gavan, we can use Ekadika and Purvena, but to explain this method, to take the small numbers, I have taken 345, 3, 4, 5, small digits. I have not used 2, 3, 4, 234 because you will confuse with already 2 is there in this here. For that reason, I want to use a small digit. For that reason only 3, 4, 5 I have used. We can use Ekadika and Purvena for this. But just to explain the method very easily, I have taken the small number. Okay. If I use the number with digit 2, people may confuse. Here already 2 is there. Why 2 into 2 some kind? That's why I doubt in homework. Yeah, please ping your doubt. Okay, please listen carefully. I am repeating this method once again with another number. The number I am going to take is this time 164 square. 164 square. Okay, 164 square. If you observe, duplex of 1, duplex of 1 6, duplex of 164, duplex of 64, duplex of 4. Okay, and next. Sai Sujan Vemparla, I have discussed a method when to use. In every situation, I have Ekadikana Purvena is to calculate the squares of numbers ending with 5. Okay, Yavadadikam Tavadadiki Krucha Vargancha Yojiye, that is used to calculate the squares of numbers greater than above base number and closer to the base number. And Yavadonam Tavaduni Krucha Vargancha Yojiye, that is used to calculate the squares of numbers below base numbers. This Dvandva Yogam, if no condition is satisfied, then you have to do with Dvandva Yogam only. Any square can be calculated, no conditions. With the duplex method, any square can be calculated, square of any number. Okay. Now, duplex of single digit square, and duplex of 2 digit, 2 into 1 into 6, and duplex of 3 digit middle number square into 2 into 1 into 4. And next, duplex of 2 digits, 2 into 6 into 4, and duplex of 4 square. Next, it will be like 1, 2 into 6, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 6, 12. 6 square is equal to 36 plus 2 into 4, 8. 36 plus 8, 44. Next, 2 into 6 into 4, 2 into 6, 12, 12 into 4, 48. And then last, 4 square equal to 16. It will be like, start doing the carry forward to the left side. That means the last position should have only single digit, but it has 2 digits. So carry forward this one to this side. Then this will become 48, will become 49. Now, the second position from right has 2 digits. Every position should have only single digit, but it has 2 digits. Then we have to do the carry forward. Keep the rightmost digit 9 as it is and carry forward the left digit to left side. That means 44 plus 4. This will become 48. Okay. Now come to the third digit, third position. It should have 1 digit, but it has 2 digits. Then you have to do carry forward. Like, then this will become 16. Now come to the fourth position from right. This has 2 digits. Carry forward the left digit to left side. 1 plus 1. Then that will become 2. Answer, final answer is 26,896. 26896. Let us check in a calculator. 164 into 164. 26896. That's the perfect answer. Okay. Today we have done the recap of last session. We repeated. We didn't discuss anything new. Today we discussed newly 3-digit square. Yeah, good. Now please practice 3 numbers here and we can wind up Vedic Maths part. After that, your homework is, it's up to you, your wish, but at least 100 3-digit numbers, any 100 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers 100, between 100 and 999. Any 100 you take and do it. In class, I will give you 3. Okay. Next one. Please calculate square of 347 square. Please calculate. Start doing. And please ping the answer in chat box. One two zero four zero nine is the correct answer, but you should get it through by doing through duplex method. Okay. Good, very good. People are pinging the entire chain also. Very good, great. Yeah. Next one is 474 square. 474 square. Please do this. Okay. Yeah, few people pinged. Yeah, what was the answer? Three 47 square answer is 120409. And 474 square answer, people started pinging. That's good. 224676. This is the answer. Yeah. And the last sum for the day in the class, it will be 543 square. 543 square. You people already did 345 square in the beginning. I have given the reverse 543. Do it. Yeah, so yeah, correct. Correct answer. Yeah, Kushagra, correct. Pranav, Gavant, correct. Ah, hope you people understood the concept very well. Let us meet in the next week. I'm handing over the session to Srinivas Garu.
Okay, so you all have the homework to do, and also shlokas to memorize. We have learned about the great scientist C.V. Raman today. Okay, we'll be learning more scientists, and we also are going to get some special guests to come and bless us sometime in the month of March. So Guru Garu is reaching out to several great people, inspirers, motivational speakers, and spiritual leaders. So to come and bless us to this great program. So we all will be looking forward for that. So we'll do the ending prarthana. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.